Hello my friends! Today I will show you how to make this little spiky crochet snowflake. Visit my website to see a written pattern for this project or to explore my other snowflake patterns. All of them are available for free. The links are in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 3mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with the corresponding hook. To start you need to make 6 chain stitches and form a loop. You can also use magic ring technique if you are familiar with it. Make 1 chain stitch. Now make 2 single crochets. And 2 chain stitches. Now repeat it 5 more times. 2 single crochets and 2 chains. Close the round with a slip stitch like so. Now chain 3. Make 1 double crochet into the loop right behind your starting chain. Look closely how I do it here. Now make 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochets into the chain space, two chain stitches again, and 2 double crochets still in the same chain space. Now repeat it 4 more times. 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets in the same space. I will meet you at the end of the round. I've got 5 repeats of my module and it's time to finish off this round. Make 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochets into this chain space, two chain stitches again, and close the round with a slip stitch like so. On to round 3. This one will be made mostly with chain stitches. Chain 8, skip the chain space and work one single crochet in between a pair of double crochets, like so. Now chain 5. Skip the chain space and make another one single crochet in between a pair of double crochets. This is your module for this row. 8 chains, 1 single crochet, 5 chains, 1 single crochet. Repeat it 6 times in total. Now in this round we are going to work around these bigger and smaller chains. Let's start with the big one. Make 5 single crochets, two chain stitches, now we need to make 3 picots in the same stitch, so start with chaining 3, fold this little chain and make a slip stitch at its base. Now make another picot in the same way, so chain 3, fold it and attach it with a slip stitch to the same stitch as the first one. Now make another one, exactly the same way. See, they all grow out of the same base stitch. Now make 2 single crochet stitches in these 2 chains you did before starting on your picots. You can think of it as a branch that will hold these 3 picots up. Now make 5 single crochet stitches around the rest of the chain. And make 1 slip stitch right between the 2 chains. Now onto the small chain. Start with making 2 single crochets. Now make 1 picot. You already know how to do it. Two single crochets again. Now make 1 slip stitch in between 2 chains, just like you did before. Okay, so that's it. Repeat this one by one until you crochet over all of the chains. I will meet you at the end of the round. As you can see, your last slip stitch of the round is also a finishing touch to your snowflake. Fasten off, secure the yarn, and don't forget to block and stiffen your work. To see how I block and stiffen my crochet pieces, please see the video or read an article on my website. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!